Well, we got another trailer, rack and spur, to put one of these Shelby lifetime rubber floors in. Just showing y'all a little something what we do and how we do. We have to add new runners, clean the trailer up, make sure there ain't no bad places, and then we clean everything up. And we're gonna replace this. This trailer had a wood floor in it. If you want to save your livestock, no slipping, you can haul them 1 mile or 1,000 miles. When you get there, they'll still be standing up. This floor is the best thing since sliced bread. And we're getting ready to put this floor in. Jimbo's on the job, and we are about to get this thing put in. But this is the floor that we sell. We are a dealer for the flooring, and we've put numerous floors in, and we have a mobile service. So I don't know how many people do this, but this is probably the best floor that you can put in a livestock trailer. It's got the lugs on it. There's no, it's all rubber. There's no plastic. So if anybody's ever fooled with anything, rubber is what's on your tires and you can stick to the road. If you had plastic tires, you'd be in the ditch. Same way with a cow. It's plastic. The plastic, when it gets wet, it's slicker than snot. But this stuff ain't. So anybody that needs a floor, we can fix you up at Rack and Spur. We Shelby flooring, and we don't only have this flooring. You can get we can get the groove flooring, for your horse folks that don't want the lug. We can do either or. But to me, best floor for the money, and I promise you, your cattle will still be standing up when you get to where you're going with it. So y'all give us a call, or go on our webpage, or whatever you want to do. 334-863-771. And we look forward to doing business with you. Thank you.